I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're trying to check your bill details on the Vodafone app, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Vodafone app. Launch the Vodafone app on your smartphone. Make sure you are connected to the internet for the app to function properly. Step 2. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Navigate to billing. Once logged in, look for the billing section in the main menu. This is where you can find all your billing information. Step 4. View bill details. Tap on the View Bill option to see your current bill details, including usage charges and due dates. You can also check past bills here. Step 5. Download or share bill. If you need a copy of your bill, look for the download or share option. This allows you to save it as a PDF or send it via email. Remember, if you encounter any issues, ensure that your app is updated to the latest version for the best experience. Happy billing!